guys, several people have asked me what I kept from my Wantable unboxing that posted last Thursday. I'll put a link to that below. So I only kept two items actually. I kept this jacket. I got it at a great price. It was $29 on sale. I really like it. It's cozy. I actually wear it around the house like I was wearing mini cardigans just thrown over my clothes when I wake up first thing in the morning to keep me warm, in addition to walking on the dogs when it's days that aren't so cold out. Although most days here in Indiana at this time of year, it is very cold out. And I also kept the black tee. I really like that thing. It just laid beautifully. I did try to exchange both the sleeveless burgundy top and the teal cardigan for a larger size, but it wasn't available, so I didn't get them. Had I done that, that would have been 4 items, and of course with Wantable, if you buy 5, you get 20% off. I probably would have got the sweater skirt, believe it or not, for either free, because the same price the 4 items would have been together, or just for a little bit more. It wouldn't have made sense to have not got it. So there we are. That's what I got from Wantable. I'm looking forward to working with Natalia again. She always does a great job of styling me. So I guess I will see you next time. If you could subscribe if you haven't already. If you are enjoying my videos, like this and comment down below. That helps me so much. And I absolutely love interacting with you. It's a ton of fun. Okay, I'm going to get going. We'll talk at you later. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye and be blessed.